Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily create a leggy intro video in CapCut. So first you need to prepare your edits and then just click on the first video or the video that you want to set as intro, and then go to adjust, lower the saturations of the clip to -50 like this, and then just go to the video effects, find the texture category, then in here select the doodle diary one effect, okay, this one, and adjust the settings like so. Set all of the setting to 0 except the speed. You need to set it to 90 like this, and after that you are done. Just click on a check icon, then here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye bye.